You're walking your dog. Everything's peaceful. And then it happens. Another dog appears. They lock eyes. And they both go straight for the butt. You freeze. The other owner freezes. Both dogs? They're having the time of their lives. Why do dogs do this? Is it weird? Is it gross? Is it rude? Or is there actually a scientific reason? Today, we're diving into one of the funniest, strangest, and most important parts of dog communication: butt sniffing. Yes, it's awkward for humans, but it's totally normal and incredibly smart for dogs. Let's break down the hidden meanings, the biology behind it, what your dog learns from one good sniff, and why you should not pull them away too quickly. Let's get sniffing. Scientifically, of course. Dogs don't consider butt sniffing. Rudask, the social handshake of the dog world. For humans, we shake hands, smile, say hello, or give a wave. Dogs go for the back end. Why? Because butt sniffing is the fastest, most accurate way for dogs to learn everything they need to know about another dog. It's not disgusting to them. It's polite, efficient, and completely natural. The nose knows everything. Dogs' super scent ability. Dogs smell far better than humans. That's no secret. But here's how much better. Humans, 5 million scent receptors. Dogs, up to 300 million. Bloodhounds, over 350 million. That's more than 60 times our smelling power. Dogs don't just smell stronger, they smell details we can't imagine. The magic organ. The Jacobson's organ. Inside a dog's nose is a special scent detector called the Jacobson's organ, or the vomeronasal organ. This organ detects pheromones, specializes in chemical communication, reads emotional and biological information, connects directly to the brain's behavior centers, bypasses the normal smell pathways. This means dogs don't just smell other dogs. They read chemical messages. What dogs learn from sniffing butts? Identity information. One quick sniff can tell your dog age, sex, reproductive status, health, stress levels, diet, mood, where they've been, who they've met, what they've eaten, social rank, even if they're friendly or nervous. It's basically a full social biography downloaded instantly. The emotional report. Yes, dogs can smell emotion. When dogs are scared, excited, happy, or stressed, their anal glands release slightly different chemical signals. Your dog can detect fear, confidence, friendliness, anxiety, aggression, curiosity, its emotional transparency through scent. The "where have you been" scan. Dogs can smell the park the other dog visited, their home environment, other animals they interacted with, if they've rolled in something nice, even the human scents on them. To dogs, this is social networking through smell. Why the butt? The anal glands. Nature's scent. Library. Right under the base of a dog's tail are two small scent glands. These glands release powerful chemical messages. Think of it like, "Hi, here's everything about me in scent form." Why not sniff ears or feet? Dogs do sniff other parts of the body, but the anal glands store the richest, clearest, most reliable information. It's the most accurate place to understand another dog. Butt sniffing is a social ritual. The greeting ritual. Dogs follow a predictable greeting sequence. Approach calmly, curve their body, avoid direct eye contact, sniff each other's faces briefly, move to the rear, exchange information, decide, friendly, cautious, neutral. It's a structured, respectful interaction. Butt sniffing helps avoid conflict. By sniffing, dogs learn whether the other dog is nervous, dominant, friendly, unhealthy, ready to play, stressed, confident. This prevents misunderstandings and reduces the chance of aggression. Sniffing is diplomacy. When dogs don't want to be sniffed. Overwhelmed dogs. If a dog refuses to be sniffed, it may mean they're anxious, they lack social skills, they feel threatened, they've had bad experiences, they're overstimulated. These dogs may dodge, sit down, turn away, or show avoidance signals. Dogs with poor socialization. Some dogs never learned how to greet politely. They might rush in too fast, shove their nose aggressively, skip the polite sequence. This can cause tension. Should you let your dog sniff butts? Yes, most of the time. Supervised butt sniffing is healthy and important. It helps dogs socialize confidently and understand their world. But there are exceptions. Avoid sniffing interactions when one dog is overly nervous, one dog is on edge, one dog is reactive, the other dog doesn't want contact. Leashes are tight, creates tension. Space is too small. High excitement is present. Always observe body language first. What you should do during a sniffing session. Stay relaxed. Dogs mirror your energy. If you panic, your dog panics. Keep the leash loose. A tight leash signals stress and can trigger conflict. Give dogs space to move naturally. Watch for warning signs. Stop the interaction if you see stiff posture, intense staring, tail high and rigid, lip tightening, freezing, growling, tucked tail with panic, end politely, not abruptly. Fun, but true, butt sniff facts. Dogs remember smells for years. Yes, they remember your scent and other dogs' scents for a long time. Dogs can smell disease. They can detect infections, hormonal changes, even cancer, all through scent particles. Butt sniffing is faster than human greeting. What takes humans 10 minutes of small talk, dogs learn in 3 seconds. So why do dogs sniff each other's butts? Because it's how they communicate, it's how they learn, it's how they stay safe. And yes, it's how they make friends. To dogs, it's not gross, it's brilliant biology, ancient instinct, and perfect communication. If you enjoyed this funny but fascinating deep dive into canine behavior, give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with other dog lovers. And if you want to understand dog communication on a deeper level, from scent signals to body language to pack behavior, download our ebook, The Canine Communication Guide. Thanks for watching, and remember, the next time your dog sniffs another dog's butt, they're just sending a polite hello.